Hello, dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum and a warm good afternoon to all of you. This is Muhammad Shahkar from Quintessence, one of the faculty members. You'll be delighted to know that we are going to launch the batch 2025-2026 of IAS, JKAS from 28th June. On 28th June, we will be having an orientation. And on 29th June, we'll be having a scholarship test. See, now once you come here on 28th June, it's very important. When a student decides that yes, it is the time, I am going to invest around 1.5 years, 2 years in the preparation of civil services examination, the orientation is very important. We have the expert faculty. We have the people who have taught at the ACE institutions of the country or who are teaching in the best institutions of the country. We have the faculty who have themselves qualified these competitive examinations, who know the nuances, the nitty-gritties of qualifying this examination. On 28th June, we have an orientation here at Quintessence Karanagar, wherein you all will come and you will get abreast with the knowledge of how to prepare for this examination. What are the trades? What are the requirements which are to be followed so that you qualify this examination? Once the fire will be lit in you, once you will understand that yes, I have those capabilities. Once when a boy from the far-flung district of Odisha, a girl from Bihar, from the unprivileged background, when they qualify this examination, they not only qualify the examination, they challenge the mindset that underprivileged cannot do anything. So you have to come here on orientation day and see that yes, there is fire in us, which we don't have to let extinguish for the coming years till we qualify this examination. And once on the day of orientation, you will be acclimatized, because it's very important. You don't straight away go to the preparation of case or IAS or JKAS. You have to first see what are the domains involved, what all is involved, what I have to read, what I have to unlearn, what I have to relearn. That all will be included in a session which will be conducting on 28th June. And then on 29th June, we have a scholarship test. In scholarship test, obviously you will be given an examination on your mobile phones through app. And if you score well in that scholarship, you will be given a rebate of that percentage in the fee. So come with us, register with the phone numbers given on this video. On 28th June, we have the orientation for the fresh batch of IAS, KS, JKS. And on 29th of June, we have the scholarship. For around 1.5 years, you will be with us and you will witness the kind of the intellect the teachers of Quintessence possess, the kind of the hand-holding support they will give you, the kind of the campus we have. We have the beautiful library here. So come and register on these phone numbers and then join the institution so that you will witness a brilliant initiative of ours. Thank you so much.